Hey guys, welcome to another UC Chemicals for UCLA tutorial. Today we are going to be going over how to create a new inventory. If you missed our last tutorial on groups, it will be linked in the description. So when you first log in to UC Chemicals, you're going to most likely see, after creating your first group, a blank page like this. The first thing you do is create a new inventory button and choose which group you're going to assign this to. I am going to assign this to my demo group. You can see that I am an owner here. And then for my inventory name, I'm going to call this Riviera Chemical Lab Inventory. And I'm going to click Save. Once you hit Save, you should see a page that looks like this. And what you'll want to do is head into Inventory Summary. And at the Inventory Summary, you'll see your chemical inventory name. You'll also see an inventory overview of how many chemicals you have. Currently, we should have 0. And if you scroll down to Inventory Access, you can see who the inventory owner is, what group this is assigned to, and who the members of this group are. Clicking these 3 dots will bring up the options for controlling this. We're going to go ahead and head over to Add Remove Inventory Managers. And I'm going to select Diana to be my inventory manager. Done. And now you can see that she has the manager title associated with her name, and she'll be able to help me upload and use this inventory. If you have any questions, head over to ehs.ucla.edu. See if we can answer them for you.